Okay, ready? Okay, this is the model 2750 Euro D, or EURD, from Master. It appears to be a clone or made by Squire and is based on the Old English pattern. There you go. It says Master Lock on the front and the back. I spent ages trying to pick this, but it turns out that bending a new piece of wire was essential. In fact, two pieces of wire was essential. So this goes in the back to drive the bolt. Little demo, it's not going in the little notch now. There we go, that's it. And then I should put in the wire. It's got this lovely slidey cover here. Keep stuff out the keyway. So let's go in and see how quick I can do this now. There you go, open. So it's a hard pick until you get it just right, and then it's trivial. Pause.